So how to remove your Gmail account from another device? Hello guys, welcome to KP Geek. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove your Gmail from another device. So first you have to open your Gmail account and tap on this icon and click on this manage your Google account. Now you can see the scroller here. You just have to click on security. Yes, this is the security here, and scroll down and you can see that how many devices are logged in with your Gmail account. Right now it is showing me 2 devices. One is my mobile and another one is my desktop. So tap on this button and you can see that here is my mobile and here is my laptop. So I'm gonna sign out my laptop from my mobile. So yes, tap on sign out here. You can see that it is showing me the browser and the location as well. So tap on sign out, again tap on sign out and see that is it signed out or not. Okay, so yes, let's do it again. So tap on this device and tap on sign out again and okay, so you can see that it is signed out. So yes, it is a very simple process. If you have any query, just comment below. I'll definitely help you for sure. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.